Hello. Welcome to another presentation of best-selling backup cameras from Boyo Vision, where you can find the backup cameras for cars, trucks, RV. In this video, we introduce you to a VTC175M kit with a concealed backup license plate camera and a monitor with a sleek design. A kit includes complete cables and mounting accessories that you need to install and operate. The key features of VTC175M include high sensitivity, high definition, CMOS camera with super sensitive low lux performance. IP rating of IP68 makes the camera waterproof against heavy rain and immersion in water for a long duration. There are two loop switches. One to turn off the red, yellow, and green parking guidelines. And the other to flip the image horizontally and use the camera as a front-forwarding viewing camera. The monitor is a 5-inch digital TFT LCD monitor. It has 800 by 480 high resolution, 16:9 widescreen aspect ratio, and 350:1 good brightness contrast ratio for its size. There is a backup camera input with a trigger line that triggers the monitor to turn the display on when the vehicle gear is in reverse. Second video input is available for a second camera or for other video devices. In the box, a VTC175M kit includes a concealed backup camera, a sleek designed monitor, a power cable harness for the camera, a power cable for the monitor, a sunshade, a dash mount, and a windshield mount. Dash mount uses double-sided tape for mounting on the dashboard. You can solder the wires, but it will be simpler if you use a quick snap splice connectors and zip ties to tidy up the wires. Before installation, we recommend that a bench test is performed. It is very important for an installer to test the camera and the cable to validate that the backup camera system will function properly before installing in the vehicle. By bench testing, functionality of camera and features can be validated by both the installer and the user. Validate that the backup camera system is not defective. Validate that the backup camera system functions as expected. Validate that the backup camera system meets customer expectations. A user can accept or reject the product based on his or her expectations. If a problem is encountered after an installation, troubleshooting will be simplified. To bench test, we will need 12-volt DC to power the monitor and the camera. Let us start with a video connection from the camera to the monitor. First, connect the power harness to the camera pigtail. There is an arrow marker and a groove on the connector. Line them up and press firmly together. Second, connect one RCA connector from the long extension to the RCA connector of the power harness. Third, connect the other RCA connector of the long extension to the RCA connector of the monitor, labeled camera in. Now the video connection is complete. In most applications, the monitor will be turned on when the gear is in reverse. This can be accomplished by using the blue trigger wire to the backup lights, which will come on when the gear is in reverse. Here are two steps. First, connect the blue trigger wire to the red pigtail wire at the base of the RCA connector. Second, connect the other red pigtail wire to the red wire of the power harness. Both will be connected to the backup light positive. Now the trigger line connection is complete. Simulation and testing. First, to simulate the key turning to the on position, connect the power to the monitor. Second, to simulate the gear in reverse and the backup light coming on. And also the backup light powering on the camera and triggering the monitor, connect ground to the black wire of the power harness and connect 12-volt positive to the red power harness wire. Now, with a touch of red positive power, the camera is powered and the monitor is triggered. The camera view is displayed on the monitor and functional testing is complete. That concludes an overview and bench testing of our popular VTC175M concealed license plate backup cameras and sleek design monitor. Thank you for watching and thank you for choosing Boyo cameras.